Hello everyone. So today what is the topic? Decimals. And here we are going to talk about part 2. Do you remember in part 1 we have already talked about the basics of decimals? That what are the place values for different decimal numbers. Yes. So today we are going to talk about the addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of decimals. So first we will come to this question. What is your question? That we have to add 3 to this 0.245. So the question arises how to write this 3. So this 3 is actually complete whole number. This is complete. So this will be written as 3.000. If we have total 3 places after decimals here, make it this also up to 3 decimal places. So here we have taken 3 places after decimal. And now we are going to place these things. So 5, 4, 2 and here point is there, okay, this is point. So below this point will only lie. So there is nothing. So here we are going to write 0. So this will become now addition. So how to add? We'll start from here. 0 plus 5, 5. 0 plus 4, 4. 0 plus 2, 2. And here the point will lie in the straight line. And 3 plus 0 will be this. So answer will be 3.245. So this is your addition. So now you have understood about addition. What about subtraction? Yes. So this is your another question. That we have to subtract 25.1. Let's say if I say here it is 2. Subtract 25.12 from 51. So you have to remember one thing when I say 25.12. Always remember, take a note of this, that we never read it the decimal number this way 25.12. It is wrong way to read the decimal numbers. How we read it? 25.12 because they have different place value. Yes, so this is the main reason. So how to subtract from this 51? So 51 is again complete number, whole, it is complete. And then make it like decimals. So here we have 2 decimal places, make it this also up to 2 decimal places. So this will become 51.00 and from this we are going to subtract 25.12 and now we are going to find out the difference of these two numbers. So this has to borrow from this and this will borrow from this. So what will happen? This one after giving it will become 0. This will become 9. This will become 10. So 10 minus 2 will be 8. 9 minus 1 will be 8. This 0 will borrow from this. So it will become 4 and it will become 10. 10 minus 5 will become 5. 4 minus 2 is 2. So this is your answer. What you have got? 25.88. In this question, when you have done addition, the answer is known as sum. So here sum of these two numbers is 3.245. Here when we do subtraction, so we find out the answer as difference. So what is the difference of two numbers? 25.88. Yes. Now coming to this multiplication part. So here what we are going to do, 9.5 is to be multiplied by 1.2. But how? So always remember, without decimal you take the multiplication first, the way you normally do. So 5 2s are 10. So this will become 9 2s are 18. 18 plus 1, 9. So now this will become your 5 1s are 5 and then it will become your 9 1s are 9. So I am going to rub this part. So this will become, you can do this way also, 95 1s are 95. So what we are going to do? We are going to simply add 9 plus 5, 14. And here we are going to write 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 9, 11. So what we are going to see, that the product is 1140. 1140. So how to write your answer? 1140. So you can see here how many decimal places are there. One place, this is your one decimal place. This is your another decimal place. So one decimal place will become total of two decimal places. So from your right hand side, we are going to place the decimal after two places. This is first place, this is second place. So after two places, you will place the decimal and this will become your answer. 11.40. Hope you all have understood till this point. Now we are going to do the division of two numbers. So how to do that? Suppose here it is 2.55 is to be divided by 5. So here we have understood this second part will become divisor and this will become your dividend. So we have written this. Yes. And now we have to proceed with division. So what we can see, we are going to consider one digit. But this one digit is smaller than this 5. As it cannot divide, we have to take two digits. But here we are seeing this decimal is coming. So what we will do? Yes, 25. But to take 25, we will have to take this point firstly. It means you could not divide, so you have taken this point. Now you can take 25 because this point was actually speed breaker to reach this number. So unless and until you will not cross this speed breaker, you will not go to take 5 and it will not become 25. So you will put this decimal and then you can consider 25. So now it will be 5 5s are 25 and now it will become 5 minus 5 0, 2 minus 2 0. Here as a rule this 5 will come. Yes, and now you will say 5 1s are 5 and this will be 0. So this is your quotient and this is your remainder. Yes, and now how to check your answer? You know that when you multiply your quotient with your divisor, that is DR, and add remainder, if you get your dividend, it means your answer is correct. So here your quotient is 51. So but here point is there. So now how to read it? 0.51 is to be multiplied by 5 and add 0. If you get your dividend, it means your answer is correct. So orally also we can do 1 5s are 5, 5 5s are 25. And after how many places do we have decimal here? After 2 places. So from here after 2 places your decimal will come here and anything added to 0 it will give you same number. So can you see this number and this number, it is same. It means it is equal to your dividend and it is correct. It means you have proved that your quotient is correct. So this was all about your you can say mathematical operations related to decimals. So hope you all have understood everything related to all these operations. So you just try doing more and more questions and ask about your queries in the comment box. Thank you all.